Hey, it's Kim, KimOnTheWeb.com, and I am excited because I want to let you know that it is going down this Saturday morning. It is going down because we are going to be celebrating and cultivating the inner strength, perseverance, generosity, all things that make us women beautiful. This Saturday at the Ladies Let's Live Beauty Breakfast and Fashion Show. And I'm excited because it's going to have wonderful performances by saxophonist Yancey, and also Oprah winner Lachelle Renee, and Carol Gist is going to host a fashion show. There are going to be lots of giveaways and prizes, and it is all for a worthy cause. It's a fundraiser for the Scleroderma Foundation of Michigan. Now, scleroderma is actually a disease that is rare. It's only in about 300,000 people in the U.S., but it's mainly found in women, and also mainly in African American women. And actually, my mom was diagnosed with it about a few years ago. So, but God, we thank God that she is healed by His stripes. In the meantime and in the between time, she's not receiving that, as unfortunately some people have passed away once they received the diagnosis. About 5 years later they've gone on. But my mom, she chooses to live. She chooses to continue to live her life, to enjoy her life. I mean, just the other day she told me she did one of her favorite things. She went bowling and bowled like 179. Now this is a disease where it affects your lungs and your breathing. So but God is faithful. So we're going to take this time to raise awareness for scleroderma at this event, to have a great time in the Lord. The first 100 registered guests will get free beauty bags, and there are going to be some health and fitness tips and great things going on. So I'm just encouraging you to register if you haven't already, to be one of the first 100 to get your beauty gift bag at www.beautybreakfast.eventbrite.com. And this is for ladies, single or married. Again, it's Ladies Let's Live. So no matter what you're going through, or what, we as women, we are overcomers through Christ Jesus. So this event is to celebrate you as a beautiful, victorious overcomer. So come on out. Again, www.beautybreakfast.eventbrite.com. It's this Saturday, June 1st. June is Scleroderma Awareness Month. So, you know, hear about something that you may not have been aware of before, and have a great time and fellowship with other beautiful women enjoying one another. Saturday, June 1st at the Livonia Burton Manor. It's from 9:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. So come on out, have a great time as we celebrate you. And I'll see you then.